Africa, where there are always fierce battles of animals. And an indispensable character in every battle is the lion. Considered a symbol of strength and notorious predator, they are ready to attack any animal that dares to touch their territory. So in today's video, let us admire the lion-zebra hunting by the riverside. Let's go. Lions hunting zebras by the river. No stranger to us, lions are known to be animals with superior terrestrial hunting abilities, as they often prey on other mammals, especially medium to larger size ungulates, weighing from 190 to 550 kilograms. Possessing many innate characteristics such as strong physical strength, strong teeth, sharp claws, and skillful hunting techniques. That's how excellent terrestrial hunting is. So in the event that you have been plunged into the water, will the king of the jungle keep his form or not? Let us follow along. Still stalking and observing the prey closely. With light footsteps, the sandy yellow fur helps the lion's camouflage very well and avoid detection of prey. When the lion was discovered, all the animals ran away. Oh no, an ill-fated zebra was attacked by a lion. It knocks over its prey and delivers the powerful bites. The zebra tried to fight back, but it could not escape the clutches of the notorious predator. Although the terrain is not favorable, the lion does not take too long to defeat their prey. It is sure to be a delicious meal for this lion. A herd of wildebeest and a zebra are drinking water under the lake, as a lioness appeared, causing them to flee in a hurry to the shore. Despite their larger size, lions run very fast, and especially female lions. Lions can reach a running speed of more than 80 kilometers per hour, although they can only maintain this speed for a short time. Very quickly, the lion caught a zebra, and the way to defeat their prey commonly seen in lions is to bite and tear the throat and attack the respiratory system of the prey. And despite the fierce resistance of the zebra, the lion still clenched to his teeth and clenched his prey until he suffocated. The zebra was once again defeated. Usually, lion hunts don't take very long, and even when hunting alone or in groups, lions still promote physical strength and powerful attacks. A lion can easily take down a prey equal or larger than itself. However, hunting in groups will give it a higher success rate. Although it is rare to see lions swimming underwater, it does not mean that they cannot swim, as they can plunge into the water to attack their prey. However, they will be limited and often ambush on the shore to wait for their prey to come ashore and then rush to attack. This footage shows a zebra crossing a river in the search of food, and it was discovered by a pride of lions. Despite having just hunted their prey, the lion probably will not ignore this fat zebra. Sensing danger approaching, the zebra quickly turned around and ran away. However, with extensive hunting experience, the lions had previously divided a group to pick up at the location of the fleeing zebra. In addition to lions, zebras also face many difficulties when crocodiles are always waiting in the fresh water to wait for the opportunity to attack. And in this video, the zebra can be seen quickly escaping the crocodile's pursuit. But no, when they reached the shore, the lions were already in ambush and they hid behind the bushes. They rushed to grab the zebra and knock it to the ground. And still, with the deadly attacks, the zebra will surely turn into a delicious meal for the other two lions. It can be seen that the lions are the apex predators in the land of Africa. And not only can they hunt their prey on land or underwater skillfully, lions also have the ability to climb trees and steal their prey of other animals. And not afraid of any animal, the lion always proves to be the ruler and is always a threat to all species. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and if you love to explore the animal world, then don't forget to press the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Besides, please click the like and share this video with your friends and relatives. And now goodbye, and see you in the next video.